Pick a nail and pass it through.
Wow, incredible! Come on! This is amazing! Super amazing.
Oh, well, take off your dripping raincoats and hang them over here.
You need a little big hug.
Let's do some exercises, shall we? Make you feel warm. Start with this. One, two, three, four.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Operation Getting Warm. Follow me.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Oh,
I feel warm. Me too, I've released some energy.
precisely. Let me get you something that will make you feel even warmer. Plus, it's very good for you. There you go.
Thank you. Thanks,
welcome.
Mr. Grumpy.
You're welcome. Nice hot lemonade.
I have a question, Mr. Grumpy.
Go ahead, Tofumi.
How do toys and clock work? I know they use batteries.
Yes, they do. And I'm sure you want to find out how batteries make our appliances work, wouldn't you?
Yes, Mr. Grumpy. Like rechargeable fans, they even work when there's no power from the sockets.
That's a good one. I have an idea.
More lemonade!
No, my dear. We are going to make our own batteries. We are going to create our own homemade battery. But first of all, a little bit of housekeeping. Now, we have some zinc nails.
What are they?
There's some copper pieces. Copper is a very high conductor of electricity. Some more wires.
And what are these?
This is a voltmeter. And with a voltmeter, we can measure the amount of volts, or in this case, electricity, passing through the wires.
Are these the wires we attract to light?
Yes, they are. We're looking at the lemons, and these are what are going to generate our electricity. So, pick a lemon each. When life gives you lemons, what do?
You make lemonade!
Well done, Pippa. So the first thing we're going to do to release the electric charge is to roll the lemons. Pick a nail and pass it through. Let's go on. There you go. What you now need to do is put the copper. Can you put that one through? Beautiful. Well done. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to find out how much voltage is passing through our natural battery.
What are voltage?
Voltage is a measure of the potential difference between 2 points. Where are our 2 points? Copper
And the nail.
or in this case, electricity passing through the wires. Can you help me clip that onto the copper? Very well. Closer to the lemon. Lower.
Put it down.
Yes, much better. Thank you. And yours? Well done. Now, let us find out the voltage. It's at 0, right? You see it?
Yes.
0. Z-E-ro. You help me again? We'll clip this to this. This is yours. And with it, we should get a reading. We are getting a negative reading. So we will try again. This time, we'll go around opposites.
Oh.
Can you help me with this here? You try yours? Yes! Now we have a positive reading.
0.95.
Say that again?
0.95.
No. Did you say correctly? It is 0.95. All numbers behind the decimal point are called out as singles.
0.95. 0.95.
Well done. Now, let us begin to create our array of batteries. Well, there we go. What is our reading now? Ooh, look at it go.
Still going faster.
It's increasing. It's warming up. I would say an average of 4.9 volts. What do you think?
Not sure. 5.8, 5.7, 4.
Okay, I think we have an average about 4.9 volts. Let's agree on that, shall we?
It's still moving.
Yes, current is constantly moving.
It has stopped.
Yes.
Like you said, it's not 73, it's 5.73.
You need a high five for that. Well done. We have our LED bulbs here, remember?
What are we meant to do with them?
We're meant to power them up to see if we can make them come on with the electrical power that's flowing through this circuit. Shall we give it a try?
Come on! Wow! Incredible! This is amazing! Super amazing.
Clear experiment of natural batteries. See? There. You can also try this with limes and potatoes.
With other fruits that have acid
Yes,
in it.
oranges as well. Great job, guys. Well done.
Well
High five.
done, geniuses.
You know what time it is now? It's time for the genius dance.
Dance.
Come this way. Let's do it together. Glasses in place. Are we ready? After 2. 1, 2.
I am a little genius. I am a little genius. I've got what it takes. I've got what it takes. I'm gonna change the world. I'm gonna change the world. Yes, I can. Yes, I will. One more time. I am a little genius. I am a little genius. I've got what it takes. I've got what it takes. I'm gonna change the world. I'm gonna change the world. Yes, I can. Yes, I will.
Oh, look. It looks like the Genius Pod has some gifts for you.
Ooh.
Over here, over here, over here. What do we have here? Ooh.
Telfumi is a little genius. Orafe is a little genius.
Yes, you are. All right, I'll put them on.
it?
Wow, let me see. They look lovely. You know what? Let's take some pictures for my wall.
Yay!
Here we go. All right, let's take a picture with Pippa.
Time to take a selfie. It's time to take a selfie.
You stay
Time
here.
to take a selfie.
You are
It's
here.
time to take a selfie.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Little
geniuses!
Bye, people.
Bye-bye, Tokomi. Bye-bye, Oreo Fair.
Bye-bye, Mr. Grump.
Bye-bye.